Yes, mate, great question there. Why don't I go out and get a turbo kit rather than a supercharger kit for my Fiesta ST150? Well, I'll tell you, right, you can get these supercharger kits, bolt them straight onto the engine. You don't have to do any engine work whatsoever. I think it's 0.5 a boost, and you get about 310 to 320 brake horsepower. Like I say, you don't have to forge the engine. You can bolt the kit straight on, tune it, you're running that power. There shouldn't be any problems, right? If you get a turbo kit, it's more of a forced induction from the exhaust manifold, so it's more a sporadic boost. And apparently, again, I'm not sure 100% how it works, but it damages the bottom ends on these engines. The bottom ends on these engines are prone to go, and unfortunately, the turbo route, you'd have to spend excess on engine work as well. So I could probably get a turbo kit custom for about £3,400, but then I've got to account for getting my engine reforged, which is probably again another £4,000. Whereas this supercharger kit, I can go down, get it bolted straight on, no engine work, and we should be safe and solid and just ready to go. Do you know what I mean? So I hope that answers your question, mate. It's going to be absolutely banging when we do get there with it. So everyone have a banging day for me, and I'll see everyone top end.